Hey, what's up, YouTube? Mr. App for that coming at you with another hot video. I told you guys, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Anyway, let's get right into it. Facebook, guys, the Facebook app, go into it and you're going to go into Marketplace. Actually, if you end up in your home screen here, you click at the bottom, on this bottom here, one here. Well, no, that's me. You're going to click on the side tab to all the way to the right. All right, and that's going to bring up this screen right here, and then you actually go into the marketplace. So as you can see, the Facebook marketplace, you have all kind of things that's going to show up in your area. My area is Atlanta. All right, look at these shoes here. These are the Yeezy Boost. All right, those are pretty cool. All right, people are selling shoes and uh, shirts and cameras and cars and all kind of things on here. All right, so you can actually go into the categories right here, and you can go down and search and see. And actually, look, people are selling services as well. If you have a business, home and garden, you have electronics. Um, Look at this, family, baby stuff, toys, and this is something new that I've seen. Also, you even have jobs on here as well. So you can actually find a job on Facebook. So anyway, guys, have some fun with this app. I've sold some things on this app as well. So it does work. You had to meet people in person. So you know, I don't really deal with shipping, but you can meet people in person and go from there. So of course, use your own judgment, better judgment when you're doing that. But anyway, guys, that's it. I just wanted to show you this Facebook Marketplace app if you didn't know about it. And so just go to your Facebook app and go into the marketplace, and you may be able to find something pretty cool. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, I actually need a safe. How much is this? Look at that. That's not bad. $40 for a safe. That's not bad. Those things right there go for like $100. So actually, you can find stuff on here and actually sell it as well. And look, this is a description. Brand new large safe. It was the wrong size, so we can't use it. All right. So there you go. They can't return it. They can't use it, but you may be able to use it. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Let me know if you've used the Facebook Marketplace app, how it has been for you, and any other apps that you want to see. Let me know. And also, I will have a giveaway at some point soon coming up this year, maybe when we reach 10,000 subscribers. So let's keep pushing, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.